Hi guys, this is my submission for this big challenge. We set up a table base to send a productivity tip daily with all automatically. So we have three tables: subscriber, where we have the information related to all subscriber like their name, email, joining date, and whether they're active or not in a list. The second is productivity tips table, where we have the tip ID. Then we have tip context in a long format, then subject line, and here is a take. So basically the idea of this system, we send a productivity tip to the people, or we can say to the solopreneur who are busy to their day-to-day life. So we send them a productivity tip daily on a different categories, like every day they get a new type of tip. So we categorize in four category, like AI tools, automation tips, focus, and general productivity tips. So every day they have a new tip about different topic. And then we have this field create a date, and the same date when we send the email to the subscribers to this particular tip, and we some checkbox to see if this email is sent or not. And here's one more table about HTML format. So basically we have this HTML format of this tip in this field. And lastly we have this third table is settings. So we have the start date. This is our setting. We need to set up this in just only one time. The start date when we start our when we start to send our daily tips. So let's say if you choose, you start from 3, you see it's changed the category, because we use this Airtable formula to pick the category in a round robin format. So when we start, it compare with the date for today, and we use four categories like AI tool, the automation tip, focus enhancement, and the productivity tips. So every day the users get a different tip from different category. And here we use this formula to make a trigger when it's 9 a.m. in a day. So we don't use Airtable native automation. Instead we use this. So because we want to pick this record ID from this category to run our automation. So you so when you copy this base, you just need to set this start date and select your time zone, and this is run automatically, so you don't need to touch this. Then this is our main productivity tips, where we see the data coming from our automation. So let's see how this automation work. So we have this table. When a record match condition means every day at 9 a.m. the automation is triggered, and then we run this script. What the script is doing is we just simply call the webhook to this make scenario. So let's state this, the scenario is on, and we test this action, step successfully. Here we see the automation is running. So basically let them complete, then I will explain you. So we can see here it catch the webhook, and we get the record ID of that particular row we set up in this in setting column. And after this we get the record. So here we need this category format. So today category is focus enhancement, means we need to send tips for focus enhancement category. Then it write the tip. Here we use this prompt, you can see it here, and it is a rule user based prompt. So you can see here, then we write subject line, and we update all in Airtable. So here you can see it, we have new tip, daily productivity boost, hello solopreneurs, and all the details are here. So when we get this new record, or we create this new record in Airtable, we trigger our this automation. We can here simply, so we run this automation. So for now we do this manually. Just to explain you, like we choose the tip ID 9, the recent record here. So basically it watch a record. When the new record is created in a table, the automation is triggered, and then let's run it once and see how it work. Okay, automation is complete. Then we search records. So we want to search with their email, with their subscriber category. So we want to see who are active, and we want to send emails to those who are actives. So we here we use this filter. You can see only two people pass this view because we have only two people are active in our base. And then we use this array iterator to combine those things in a single array. Like we have the email and we see the status is active. Then we use this iterator to loop this by all bundles. So we want to send an email to this address, then this address, and you see we have two bundles, and then we send the email to the two peoples. You can see here. And then we update the record in Airtable base. Like you can see here, for this productivity tip, the send date is today and is email is sent, is the checkbox is tick, and here you got the email. You can see this email here. Okay, here we get the email for the focus enhancement topic. If we change and the next day, let's say it's changed, so it automatically update the category, and the next day we send the tip related to automation tip, and for the next day we send the tip related to AI tool spotlight. So every day users get the productivity tips related to different categories, and this is one time setting, and we need to on this automations so it run daily without any user or manual work. Hope you guys like it.